It's been a wonderful journey.
Exciting. Interesting. Wonderful.
Terrific.
New challenge.
A great challenge.
Rewarding.
It's fantastic, fantastic, fantastic.
Happiness with Emirates.
This is Tanha. I want to be a cabin crew because I love to travel and I love this job. I am passionate about delivering excellent customer service, so I think I am perfect for this job.
Hello, this is Jacqueline Fomo. I want to be a cabin crew because I love to travel and learn about new cultures.
Hi, my name is Kay. I'm from Uttara. I wanted to become a cabin crew because of experience something different in my life.
Hello, this is Shufal. I want to be a cabin crew because I am capable for the job, because I am hardworking, intelligent and punctual. Finally, I love travel. Thank you.
This is Shamil. I am from Uttara. I want to be cabin crew because I am passionate about this job and I am punctual, well, humble.
Hello, this is Sanjibul Sen Shanto. I want to be a cabin crew because I believe I'm brave, honest, loyal person. I have qualities, I have patience to handle any situation.
Hi, this is Sadia Sharmin. I want to be a cabin crew because this is a very glorious, glamour and challenging job also. I inspired by my aunt because she is also a cabin crew. Thanks.
Flying is exciting, and a career in the airline industry can open up many possibilities. Working as cabin crew for Emirates requires great responsibility.
ইউনাইটেড কলেজ অফ এভিয়েশন তথ্য প্রযুক্তি ও বিজ্ঞান মনস্ক জাতি গঠনে অঙ্গীকারবদ্ধ।